This is the Mueller Ultra Pot. This one is 6 quarts. And I'm really in love with this product. I cannot say enough good things about this. It has a release button here. This is how you open it. It comes with this steamer, basket. This is the pressure relief valve. It also comes with the instructions. I'm sorry they're so dirty. I've been reading those a lot. I really want to do everything that I can with this product. It comes with its own recipe books. It even includes the recipe for the simple yogurt, which I was really looking forward to. I haven't done it, but I'm really looking forward to doing it. It comes with these 3 handy dandy notes on everything that you need to know to get started. Reference times and such, they were getting really dirty, so I decided to laminate them and keep them for a quick reference here at the kitchen. It even includes like different times for different types of plates that you might want to do. And it has another one, which is a sticker. This one I haven't peeled it off, but I'm keeping it here at the fridge too for a quick reference. It lets you do oatmeal, broths, and or soups, poultry. I did a great lemon pepper chicken with this one. I sauteed first, then used the poultry fisher, and it was awesome. It lets you do yogurt, hard-boiled eggs, beans or chili, rice. The rice is amazing. It lets you control the temperature as well as the times. You can set that manually. Pressure level. It has the delay start feature. It lets you do canning. You can sterilize for that. You cancel here or keep warm. It does pressure cooking, medium stew, also cakes, which is great. Slow cook, steam, saute, and multi-grain. This is an amazing product. It also came with the measuring cup. It has like a little thing here in the back. This holds all the condensation water that you get when you're using it on the pressure cooking feature, and it is amazing. I would really recommend it. Oh, and I also have this for when you slow cook or just to put, above the food that's already prepared. I recommend it 100%.